Welcome back, everybody. My name is Monica Ayala here at Riverside Hyundai, and today we're going to be talking about ambient lighting on the 2026 Hyundai Palisade. Today we're going to check out our ambient lighting option. To access your ambient lighting, you're going to go to Vehicle Settings, you select Lights, Ambient Lighting, and your first option will be Brightness Adjustment. 10 being the brightest or dimmer. Your second option will be color selection. You already have some colors set up, or you can customize your own. You have 64 colors to choose from. The third option will be link to driving mode, which means that the ambient lighting will adjust depending on the driving mode you have on. The fourth option will be dim and darken conditions, which means if you're going through a tunnel or it's dark outside, your ambient lighting will dim accordingly. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you have any comments, drop it down below, and we'll see you soon.